Hello, trading is closed on the 21st of December 2023. We'll always do our disclaimer first before we go over our calls and make some predictions. It's my trading plan for December 22nd, 2023. Please trade at your own risk. My calls can be wrong. Look for the pattern today with the early high, which is this. Tomorrow should have the early low. We had a target I thought it probably wouldn't print, and it didn't. We said that yesterday's drop needed confirmation, but it didn't have to come today. And this is just what we said. During the day, we got an ultimate buy signal right at the market low. Says this move is false, gives us an optional target 47.1583. If it doesn't print tomorrow, we forget it. Gives us a required target 47.0834. Preferred time frame is tomorrow. If we don't gap up smartly, that'll be the call. Well, I'm thinking that we don't have to gap to make this to make a sustainable move tomorrow. This actually is getting the look of like a rising wedge, which tends to break sharply to the downside, but it might morph into something else. At some point, I think we're going to get followed through on yesterday's drop. I'm calling this a wave A. I think we're in a wave B. At some point, I think it'll give us a wave C down. Here are the optional targets. There's no guarantee that we stop right here. If we gap up tomorrow, of course, the price remains here, but not the time. And I can't say whether that will or won't happen. We have signals that are mixed. It's a pattern with the early low, regardless of where we open. Last 5 trading days of the year, historically, they're bullish days. That seasonal tendency might affect any call I make. And also the day before Christmas often goes nowhere, although usually Christmas Eve is a stub session, and this year it's not. Signals are mixed. It's positive. Yesterday's straight line drop is followed by an inside day. Larry Williams views this, saying tomorrow we trade higher. Of course, if we gap down smartly, that gets killed. And it's negative, we have lower targets. Of course, if we gap up smartly, that gets killed. So we use the mixed signals rules. I think yesterday was wave A, we're in wave B. I don't know if it's over or not. But once it ends, we should have a strong wave C down. I think it'll be a corrective wave in a strong bull market. It's tough to be short this time of year, but I don't like yesterday's action. I don't think this changed anything. I think it's just a corrective wave. If we take this high out, then it's tough to stay with that interpretation. But that hasn't happened yet. It's the pattern with the early low tomorrow. Signals are mixed. Seasonally positive, but I'm not liking recent action. And that's today's call.